5 homemade face masks. 1. Acne masks. Acne is considered the most common skin problem in the United States. Acne develops when oil, dead skin cells, and bacteria clog the pores, and acne include blackheads, whiteheads, pimples, nodules, and cysts. The proteins in egg whites, however, can help kill bacteria on the skin and helps blemishes stop. Material need: 2 to 3 egg whites. Instructions: separate the egg whites from the yolks, and place the egg whites in a bowl. Dip the cotton into a bowl and rub the egg whites on your face. Let the mask sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with a damp cloth and apply a moisturizer. 2. Hyperpigmentation mask. Post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, referring to the dark areas of the skin, often caused by acne, age or sun damage. Dermatological treatments can help reduce hyperpigmentation, but they tend to be expensive. You can save money and even out your skin tone with turmeric DIY mask, which also reduce inflammation. Material: half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 to 2 tablespoons raw honey. Instructions: mix all ingredients in a bowl to make a paste. Gently massage the paste on your face. Let stand for 10 minutes, then rinse with warm water. 3. Clogged pores mask. Oatmeal and baking soda have exfoliating properties, which can remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. Material: 2 teaspoons oatmeal, 1 teaspoon baking soda powder. Instructions: combine oatmeal and baking soda in a bowl. Slowly add a few drops of water to make a paste. Gently massage the paste on your face and let it dry. Wash with warm water and apply a moisturizer. 4. Oily skin mask. Oily skin occurs when your pores produce too much sebum, the skin's natural oils. The oil can clog pores, triggering acne and inflammation. Bananas can help absorb oil on the skin, while lemon helps clean the pores. Material: 1 banana, 10 drops of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon extra virgin olive oil. Instructions: mash bananas in a bowl. Add lemon juice and olive oil to make a paste liquid. Apply the mask on your face. Let stand for 15 minutes and then rinse with warm water. 5. Dry skin mask. A hydrating facial mask can help your skin retain moisture and reduces dull and itching. Material needed: half a cucumber, 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel. Instructions: blend cucumber and combine with aloe vera gel. Gently massage the paste on your face. Let stand for 30 minutes and then rinse with water.